Tomorrow is not just another day. Tomorrow is a new version of me. Welcome back to English 2-Minute Learning with Hatha. Let's go. For a long time I told myself, I'm not good at English. People don't understand me. I'm afraid to speak. But the truth is, I was not afraid of English. I was afraid of making mistakes. And today, I decide something different. Right finger. Tomorrow I will learn 5 new words. Right finger. Tomorrow I will speak, even if my grammar is wrong. Right finger. Tomorrow I will not be perfect, but I will start. Because learning English is not about being perfect. It's about being brave. Every time I try, I improve. Every mistake I make teaches me something new. Maybe people don't understand me now. But if I don't start, they will never understand me. So I choose to try. I choose to grow. I choose to become better, step by step. And one day, I will speak English confidently. I will communicate with international people. I will create opportunities for my future. Not because I'm talented, but because I didn't give up. If you also want to learn English, don't wait for the perfect time. Start tomorrow. Start small, but start.